Hi, I'm Deborah from Chalkstar. Thanks for checking out my word work. This is the digital version specifically for Wonders. It is fabulous for distance learning. When you purchase the product, these are all the files that you will get for one unit. So this is grade 3, unit 3, and then the week 1, 2, 3, 4, and the whole way down through. You will get different files for each level of words. So this is the approaching, the beyond, and the on level words, and you'll see that those are there for each week. So let's look inside of a file. We'll just pick the first one. You'll see that it contains 2 pages. This is day 1 and day 2. And then over here you'll see day 3 and day 4. All of the word cards are already placed on the slides. So they're right here in a nice stack beside the slides. And then the kids can just sort them however they're supposed to sort them for the day. So this is by E-R-I-R-U-R, and then they can make their 4 piles around of the, sorry, can't talk and sort at the same time. They can make their 4 piles around, or however many piles that they need. And you'll see each day has the directions for them. After they sort, then the text boxes are already here for them. They'll just click on the text boxes and they will sort the results of their activities so you can see how exactly they sorted them for the day. They can leave the words here because I have copied them to the second slide, so when they come over here, then they get a fresh new stack and they're ready to start sorting them again. Since these are Google Slides, they are easy for you to assign through Google Classroom. And if you're using the Canvas learning management system, you can post a link to it or assign them through Canvas or through Google, because Canvas plays nicely with Google. So either way, you can get them to the students. If you have any questions, let me know. These have made a wonderful difference for myself, trying to get the spelling homework done to kids. Didn't want something that they had to print. So this was just a really nice alternative that I created. I hope you like it, and I certainly hope it makes your life easier. Email me if you have any questions or I can help you out at all. Thank you.